Today we're going to implement the rules of the board game so we can finally start enjoying what we worked so hard to create. Here's the full list of rules for the game, and we'll go into more detail later on in the video. The first main rule is that players must roll a 3 or lower to release each piece from the starting area. This means that in order to leave the starting area and start the game, each piece must roll a 3 or lower to move from the start. Our next big rule is that when moving around the board, if two players' pieces overlap, the one who landed on the space first is sent back to their starting area. As you can see here, the blue bird landed on top of the pink bird, therefore sending the pink bird back to his starting area. Our last main rule is that after completing one rotation around the board, players can enter the passage to the finish. As you can see here, the blue player's character made one full rotation around the board before he started entering the passages to the finish to win the game. As soon as one player has all 3 of their characters in the finish circle, the game is over and that player is victorious.